plunger for a stop right there. Some people put it back here. I'm going to try it right here. Here's going to be the plate for the radius for the pole pin to go into. Here'll be the arm that swings out. The pole pin will go right in here and weld in. And I'll put a hole somewhere right about here to stop the swing arm from going too far. When you weld the pole pin in, you pull the guts out so you don't damage any of it. Check it out, it's just tack welded. Okay, I'm getting ready to weld in the spindle. I've removed some of the oxide over the top, created a taper so I can weld in there. Removed a 1/2 inch off the bottom so it won't stick all the way through. When I get ready to weld it in, I can just weld in this hole down here. You gotta put your ground clamp on, or it ain't gonna work. Here's what I got so far. Watch this. I like this pole pin device that I got that holds the tire from swinging around too far. That I decided to buy another one for the latch at the other end. See, it moves around too much. I bought this shorter one, and I'm going to make it go inside. This pin is a removable cartridge, and I'll show you how I made it. And this will be the bottom plate. The pole pin will go here. Have this. There'll be a hole in the tire carrier that you reach through to pull this. But I don't like that knob, so I came up with something different. I made this device. Okay, here's the back of the carrier. Here's the cartridge. Got to cut out this hole and this hole. This will slide up into the bottom, and this hole will be your access to pull this lever up. Almost all the holes made in this project was made using a tapered drill bit. Love them, makes it a whole lot easier. I've got the swing away tire rack in the vise upside down. Here's the cartridge I made for the pole pin. I made holes for the pole pin. I've got this tab on the end here that I need to weld in, and to get it correctly, I put it on the cartridge, slide it in, the tab for the other end. All that's left to do is cut this down, cap it, cap the end, put some gussets in some to strengthen some areas, and paint it. When I first put this latch together, this was longer and flat, and you can see where it hit. So I shortened it up a little bit, rounded it off, and because this pipe is round, it just slides right up that and catches. But it's still going to end up making a scratch in the paint. So I've taken a piece of stainless steel. And where these holes are, I'm going to put in these, they're called screw nails, U-type, drive nails.